Today is a particular happy day because we announce this collaboration with the city of Rome, for which we donate a certain amount of money, which is an important amount of money, to restore one of the, let's say, patrimony of humankind, of Italy, of Rome, that is the Trevi Fountain.
I'm very happy because I think it's a very good idea, and it's also a very good thing for times going. With the crisis, I think the city of Rome has other priorities to spend the money. So I think the fashion world is lucky that a few labels like Fendi and others do well enough that they can pay for this kind of restoration, because the Fountain of Trevi are a symbol of Rome. It's like an Eiffel Tower, something like this, because maybe the Colisée and St. Pietro are older and more important, but in people's mind all around the world, the Fountain of Trevi are very, very important, and I don't think anybody came to Rome as a tourist knowing about it, came without going.
Well, a lot, of course. Rome is the perfect place for a creative, for a designer to get inspiration. It's like walking in an open-air museum, and inspiration can come from anything. I think it's in the history of Fendi, probably also the baguettes, the way it has been conceived was inspired by the stratification that you have in Rome, the different styles and the Baroque, and so probably that's why this little bag is so different and realizing so many versions, because here in Italy and especially in Rome we can really touch the centuries, the layers, different people that have been living here and dominate, and the empire, different empires.
I have to come to Rome because there's something in the air I don't have to put into words, but what I try to put in the spirit of the collections. And in a way, the Fendi fashion is my vision of Italian fashion.